I'm trying to figure out why people want to do this stuff on this particular day. It beats me. It's not a big deal to me. It's a regular day. No. Crazy.